Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this ring light. Now, I'm always in desperate need of lighting. As you guys can see right now, it's kind of a little dark, and I have so many review stations, and I need lighting. So I am excited to test this out. So this is the ring light, and I like this because it's not crazy big. It's big. It's big enough for my big head. But it's about, I'd say about medium size between, if you're looking at ring lights, you know, the bigger ones probably go out about this far. The smaller ones could fit inside here. So this is about medium size. So let's see, they give you a phone holder. They give you a Bluetooth remote. For that, it works the same as any other LED, not LED, but any ring light. So what you do is you turn this on, go under your phone settings, under Bluetooth, connect to this, and then this allows you to take pictures with your remote from your phone. So let's see, there's another phone bracket as well. So this bracket will thread right on in the center like this. So you would just thread this on like that. This bracket looks like would connect onto maybe a pole or something for your phone. And how these work, so this is fully adjustable, so you can bend that. And how this works is your phone goes in here and you can pull it to make it bigger to fit your phone. There is of course a manual inside there. Looks like they actually give you another adjustable bracket as well, so that's actually good for a GoPro, so that's a plus. So multiple brackets, multiple things, and that's all that's in the box except this. So this is going to be our tripod, and most of these tripods are pretty much the same. Yeah, so this is just your standard tripod, metal tripod frame. So this is how it looks. What you do is you pull each leg out. If you go and grab two legs, it might not come out, so just kind of pull at each leg individual, and now we go like this, and now that's how it stands up. You have all these different settings here, so you can loosen each one up, and this allows you to just go to the moon. So you can go up very high. I'll show you guys how high. We're gonna go ahead and tighten this up now. So it goes pretty high. Remember, the higher you go, the more it's wobbly it's going to be. So just keep that in mind. Alright guys, so as you can see, the film is now kind of grainy. And that's because the color lighting is not that good. Now, one thing I like about this, it's USB powered. So you can use a power bank like you see here. And that allows you to use this anywhere and everywhere. So we go ahead, we can show you guys here. Here's the control. And we turn it on. All right, now look at the difference. So look at how the grain kind of went away and how it's more clear. Now we take it off, look at that. Now it's kind of washed out, the picture. So you got different settings, natural, bright, these different modes. And of course you can up the brightness. Wow, you can really up the brightness. So each mode, different brightness, different look, depending on what you want. Let's go ahead and bring it over here now so you guys can actually see it, the different settings. Yeah, so yeah. And you can drop the brightness down. A little hard for you guys to actually see, so let's try it right there. So you can up the brightness to basically as bright as the sun. I mean, it can get pretty bright. So overall, guys, I love it. I love that you can go really bright and all the different settings. It's going to work out good for us and for most of your guys' applications.